Igbo Culture 2021.
Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu.
Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Kwezono.
Ha na-emekọta taa bụ ezigbo ihe. Sị ka anyị pụta wee yie ihe njirimara ndị Igbo.
don't want all your accessory to be outside, so you might have a small shot inside just to protect it. And then this is the isiago that goes with it. And then we also have usually some men will complement it with some nice beads, but I've left that for some of my brothers along the way. They have the beads to show some of the Igbo culture, because Igbos dress with nice, colorful attire. So we'll have some beads and some of us will have other attires to show. Thank you.
The Igbos are known for this kind of attire. I believe every woman will have this lion head, and it signifies the greatness and the uniqueness of the Igbos. The Igbos are great, they are unique indeed in culture.
Camilo from ihe Bunisi bụ omume onye ọbụla bụ onye echichi n'ala Igbo ga-eji mmemme wee malụ gị ha na-akpọ red cap chief. So as a chieftaincy title holder in the Igbo tradition, the red cap chief is a symbol of achievement, is a symbol of honor. It's not any type of person that will be able to wear the red cap chief. Igbo Mamaro, Igbo Kwenu, Kwenu, my name is Ahambo Mazi Emeka Obiora. How can Moya Dizog, Imo State? Yes. I don't want to go into details because I think I am almost the exact replica of my boss. All the same fashion, the same honor, the same everything he said is the same. I don't want to repeat the whole thing over and over, but I am proud to be an Igbo man. Anywhere you go to and you don't find an Igbo man, there is something wrong in that community. Pack your things and Igbo women fashion. Igbo women fashion.
Bargaining.
Igbo women fashion.
anaghị na-ehicha awụ ọbụla na-eme mmemme ndị Igbo onye gbata m ji ihe n'ụbọchị nke tata. What I'm wearing is we call it Ishago. Is one of our attire, our regalia when it comes to the Igbo culture. So if you want to be part of us, you can always have this as our Igbo, one of our Igbo culture. For other cultural activities, we can wear other things, but this one is very unique and it portrays what our culture is. We are strong people, very fearless. Thank you.
If you notice what happened there, she spoke in Igbo just to signify again how important this culture is and how much attachment she put on us. Ideally, she should speak Igbo with that, and I really appreciate you doing that, sis. Thank you. I just want you guys to take a moment to appreciate these women. Our women have different ways of dressing for different occasions. As you can see today, these are Igbo women dressed up in different forms and different styles, and they're all part of Igbo culture. So, is there any difference? This is like a lolo, isn't it? Oh yeah. You can see Okay, let's move on.
Staying for Igbo woman. You need judge. And that's how we to go to. So our pastor.
Thank you very much. You are looking stunning with that one. Thank you.
Afambo Oriako Nina ya ifuna Nambu Yana Kwakupe. Where we came from, the weather is very hot there. Usually carry this in case we are hot. So this is how Kampuni Kake Ote Wani Bonesi Ejike no more bona anime. Let's so dear. Obi a week is Joe say dear Ike.
Thank you.
You know, I like every time the Igbos gather together, they use the time to communicate to our people, you know, in terms of mental health, in terms of your finance, and also they always treasure the people that house us here, all Australian, including yourself. They always say thank you and remember each and every support that they receive from the government and everyone. This is Igbo culture.
That set aside some of the taxpayers' money to support citizenry, particularly during crises such as COVID-19 pandemic. That said, they have a number of organizations, or rather two systems, both in the Commonwealth level. We have Centerlink, and in the state level, they've got a lot of services, and of course, local government. So I am aware that you are also aware that there are a lot of services out there. I'm not going to tell you what you don't know already. The bad news there, let me start with the bad news, is the COVID-19 payment actually stopped on the 19th of November because over 80% of the population has been vaccinated in that direction. We are lucky in this that we have a race that are very hardworking, that do not depend on government or Centerlink to survive in this country. Please clap for yourself, because you are very hardworking people. A lot of you are professionals. Actually, Australian government is actually dependent on your taxes. So I do know that you are really strong out there to support yourself. But if you really need any government support because your business has been closed down by reason of the COVID-19, do not be ashamed to ask for support.
Okay. Thank you, my beautiful DJ. You've been busy today. We really appreciate you. Thank you. Bikono, can I go to DJ na Kabiko DJ Wise. Thank you.
DJ Wise.
Ndibo, hello to no deal. Okay, the next one in the agenda. Bikono, this is very important. We all know how hard the year has been. Actually, the years, isn't it?
Having said that, we are well aware that because of some government restrictions, there have been lockdown, isolation, loneliness, which has had negative impact on people's mental well-being. And that is my area of expertise. What we do every day is to help people to make informed decisions, especially in such difficult situations when people are struggling with their mental health, not knowing what to do. Because of the stigma attached to it, when people speak out or open up of what they are going through, some people see them as, hey, is this person crazy? What's going on with this person? But I want to tell you that you are not alone. People are out there. There are support out there for you. All you need to do is to talk to the right people, talk to the right person. There are provision for help, and I assure you that that help you will receive. So having said that, sometimes, people go through this difficult time without really understanding what is going on with them. There are some signs that you begin to notice in yourself or your loved ones or even your children, and you begin to question, is this child putting up an attitude? Is it just a behavior? Or even your spouse or your partner? But no, perhaps they are struggling. Somebody might be having a bit of a challenge from their workplace, and the time we are in or we find ourselves is such a troubling time. In health crisis time, the best way to overcome such challenging time is effective communication to be able to talk to somebody. Just, I need help. Sometimes it's difficult to say when it matters most, but for you to, have that insight or take that bold step to do that, make a lot of difference, not just in your life, but in your life of your family. On this note, I don't want to bore you like I said earlier, because of time constraint, but the message I want to pass today is, if perhaps yourself or your loved one or your friend is going through a challenging time because of this pandemic situation, please, there are help out there. Talk to any of the community member here, or if you're not from this community, the executives are here to listen to you. Talk to your family member or your friends. And what I encourage people is, please seek help, speak up. All right, you are not alone on the journey. Thank you, and thank you.
Guys, enjoy this Igbo, and like they say, wherever you go in this world, if you cannot find an Igbo man, please pack your load and go. For Igbos brings blessing. Igbos brings prosperity. Igbos brings open door. Let's enjoy Igbo culture today.
Anywhere you go, if you don't see Igbo man, one negi bocha. Bocha poso neba fulelele, lacha poso neba futileti. Obodo silike nandi Igbo gabane, abanye bafu ebulike wepota. Ugochukwu nyala nyenya waka eji agano. Iyoko.
I'm here with Mr. Emeka Obioha. Mr. Emeka Obioha, how do you see the program today?
I think I will go with this thing in Igbo because obi the moment makana imana abia na mba niile dị iche iche ndị Igbo ịma ka na-ekwu na ọnwụ na ịbịa na mba ọnwụ na ịbịa na ịhụrụ ndị Igbo nsogbu dị so mana ndị Igbo na-eme ihe mesie ya ike so a bịara ebe a ọ bụrụ na ihe gasịrị nke ọma always open na ịbịa na ya bịa ọsịsọ na ịbịa to a bit late mana at the end of the day I were a very beautiful ceremony today and everybody were all happy. The Mandela Gafi, our Igbo community, not even people now who are Nigerians, they all stood around and enjoyed the whole day. So it was a beautiful day.
From yeah, again, I'm one year. I'm hoping to get man among our
yeah, but it was beautiful. This was my first time to for meeting those the guys, the manam.
Yeah.
Actually, no can these all say many here.
This all yeah. It's all good here.
It's all good here, So
my uncle like hey God. Okay. One thank you now. It's not after na bia I get one here now.
Can I say gadi chinchim?
Odo.
Ogadi more powerful.
Odo now. Okay, guys, it's not correct.
Oh, come on, Orugo.
It's time for all this shit. So, guys.
Wrong one. High tension, high tension, high tension. Wrong one. I want them to Ruba. I want Zamba.
That's the Igbo Day, guys. Guys, your voice.
Konaka, Drizzy. I got to Funawa. You know what I mean? Igbo Karaka. Igbo Karaka. Igbo Karaka. Point follow to the socks. You know what I'm saying? Hey! Lolo. I want Zamba. I want Zamba. Champagne, but they don't want money. Oh, forever. I get that the lies of our time. She didn't work from Bolivia. Because I'm taking a look at it. Oh, never know for a while. I'm living in the Hova. Me, my little man, social. Mom is taking the oven. Bring the singers, rappers. Sum it up, beach. I'm on the total. Go Wakana. If you dare go Wakana. Konaka. Igbo Day 2021. Igbo Day 2021. Oh, come on. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I did it, you know what I mean? You boy fresh to the socks. You know what I'm saying? I know some no get it. You know what I mean? All coming. I did it, Igbo Day 2021. You boy polo to the socks. You know what I'm saying? I got a Jerry. I saw no get it. Coconut on the chin up. I see no get it. So that's why. So don't you get it? Champagne, but tell them upon me. Rebel Leo win, all the bunch of me. He can watch out, so no, if you cannot dress them, I get tantalizer, appetizer, stay them open, Bolaria. Because I'm making it vocal, or never keeping it local. My people is a little jazzy, living me like a hover. Me, my little man, and the social. More music, taking the oven, bring your sickest rappers, sum it up, beach, up on the total. But Wakana, if you dare go, Wakana, don't move my damn muddy shop, I be no good, and I'm what you take any of them, Doina, Dupani, Zinc, Mozinka, Ekaman, and Juna, Juni, and I find Cholo. Title. I go one year to my uncle, Jack, was bicycle. Then what if I call? No, I don't go for a man. I got picking me while I gave free five for the bullet Bible.
Quasi.
Chief in the building.
I'm ever with Chief Ebere Uka for Ezedonibo. Ezedonibo cake is if you hear today.
You know, it's a day that Igbos in diaspora, you know, have gathered together to showcase our rich culture with our people that loves us. It's not just only people that identify as Igbo, but anybody, you know, our wives, our friends, you know, in diaspora, even Aussies who are part of us have come here today to grace this beautiful location. It's a thing of joy that you can see, you know, we have our food, our cultural dance, and also, you know, there's a lot of entertainment, and the children are happy, you know, and it's a beautiful day too.
So do you encourage this to happen every year?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, irrespective of the fact that the COVID has made it very difficult for people to, you know, come together, and we know a lot of people are struggling because of the pandemic crisis. So this is an avenue to showcase our rich culture and also to make it possible for people to reconnect again and be happy. You know, it's a thing of joy. When people are happy, it's not only improve their mental well-being, but also their physical well-being.
Thank you. You spoke very well. You also tell us about how we can take care of our mental well-being. So what do you think, you know, do you want to elaborate on that? One more.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm a clinician, and my job every day is to make a difference in people's lives. Having said that, you know, equally today we had a topic on health and well-being, which the emphasis is because there's a lot of stigmatization about mental health. But when people are struggling, there's a need for them to seek help and to speak up. We are here to help.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ị ga-ahụkwa mkpara ndị Ichi. A na-akpọ ya mkpara, ọgwa ndị Igbo ndị na-akpọ ya mpaka. Ụmụaka anaghị eji odi mkpara. Igbo bụ Igbo. Taa bụ ụbọchị ndị Igbo. Taa bụ Igbo Day nke mbụ. Anyị emekwala na ya ada ụda. Ndị anyị ndị na-ebe a, ihe agwụ ndị na-ada ụda. Ndị agwụ ndị akwa akwụrụ n'ala Igbo. Ndị Igbo wa akwa akwụrụ. So, ekele dịrị mmadụ niile bịara ebe a. Dịrịkwa ụmụ okorobịa na ndị papa n'ebe a Chineke ji chọọ ndị Igbo mma. Igbo bụ Igbo, ya dịkwara ụlọ na mma. Udo dịrị ụlọ. Give them a wonderful round of applause. Vamos Police
For the executives. We really appreciate you guys, hard-working executives, and we want to say thank you. And so this is the end of it. I want to thank you for your patience today, for my voice that is annoying, but you haven't been annoyed. So, peace. And I'll give now, for vote of thanks, to our Honorable SCY, the high-performing Vice President of the Igbo Association of Victoria, our Princess and Queen Scholastica Adam. Please show some love for her.
Hello, everyone. Are you having fun? Okay, so you heard our MC. My name is Scholastica Adams. I'm the Vice President of IAV Victoria and also the Chairman for the committee that planned for today. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank everyone here, young and old, male, female, and otherwise. Thank you for taking your time to come. We have been planning this for, God knows, the last 10 months. Each time we put a date, the COVID lockdown stopped it. Each time we put a date, the COVID lockdown stopped it. So finally, we got a window and we thought we're going to really do this. And I'm so grateful to God that we've been able to pull through this occasion, which wouldn't be really good if none of you came here. So thank you for taking out time out of your busy life to be here with us, celebrating with us. This is who we are. We are Igbos. We love party and we love showcasing our culture. I do hope you've had fun with us today. Even though we did this one so audiently, I'm letting you know next year will be a lot bigger and better and more entertaining. Thank you once more for coming.
A round of applause for the Vice President of Igbo Association of Victoria. Because the Koroniaka, no, there is the Koroniaka. Koroniaka. Because Koroniaka. Banya did here. Everything. Because Koroniaka, there is. Awesome. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful.
You have made me proud. Thank you.
Beautiful.
I'm here with Mr. Evis Machuku, Igbo Association of Victoria President. Mr. Evis, how do you see what happened today?
Oh, well, look, it's been a wonderful content-filled event for us. The turnout has been good as well. It's been really great. We've gotten the opportunity to showcase our rich cultural heritage. Of course, you've seen our dancing, our women dancing, our children, our men, our fashion. Even the masquerades turned out tonight. So it's been a wonderful event. It's been really awesome. I'm thankful to the community for also creating time to be part of this epic event today, and going forward, I think we're just going to make it an annual event because it's proven to be an enjoyable event. Everyone's had fun. People have attested to the fact that, look, it's been a wonderful event, and we intend to keep it going.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, people are actually, very excited about the event. So what do you think about the children out here running around? Do you think it's kind of like good legacy you guys are leaving for them? Or?
And that's one of the things I said during my speech today. We should not let our culture or language die. Australia is multicultural, and that's the beauty of the country we live in. It allows us to, showcase and practice our individual culture. So yeah, it's a good legacy we're leaving for the children. We're teaching our children to embrace our culture, to understand their backgrounds, the things we do, and going forward, it is a hope that these children will continue from where we stop when we're old and gone. So that's the whole idea, that our culture should not just fade away. We intend for it to keep being passed from generation to generation, and that's the definition of culture, is that which is learnt and transferred from one generation to the other. And that's typically what we've done today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. That's fantastic. Well done, women. Thank you very much. Very colorful. Very traditional. These women, they deliver anytime. Well done, women. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you.
And they said that everything that have a beginning have an end.